Hi, in this video, I'm going to teach you about the reading techniques. They are skimming and scanning. So, what do I mean when I say skimming? It's nothing but you read quickly to get an overview of a text. And scanning is to search for specific information. Now, let's look at this picture. You find a boy with a big book in his hand. Do you think the boy will be able to read through the whole book immediately? Definitely not. So, what do you think he's doing? He's skimming through the pages to check, or he's reading quickly to get an overview of the book. Now here you have a girl with an open book and her fingers pointed on the text. What is she doing? She's searching for specific information, so we call it as scanning. Now, how do you skim and how do you scan? So when you skim, you need to focus on the main ideas, meaning you have to skip the stories, skip the data, the numbers, all those things you need to ignore. And when you scan, you have to run your eyes quickly over the page. You just need to scan. That's what we say as scanning. Now, what do you look for while you're skimming? First of all, you have to look for keywords. Secondly, definitely there will be words which are in bold. So look for them. Third, the headings, titles, subtitles. And fourth, first sentence and the last sentence of the paragraph. So while scanning, you are hunting for specific information. So scan for specific words, phrases, names, dates, event, numbers, symbols, and at times even certain long words. Now, when do you skim and when do you scan? Let's assume early in the morning when the newspaper comes to your house. What do? You don't have time to sit and read the whole newspaper. So you just skim through the newspaper to get the news of the day. Likewise, when there's a magazine lying on the table, definitely you don't have time to sit and read the magazine from top to bottom. So what you're going to do is you're just going to skim through the magazine and identify articles you would like to read in detail later. Or when there's a business and a travel brochure, you quickly go through that. So you're skimming through the brochure and you are informed. Likewise, scanning. Let's say you have a newspaper, you know a particular article is printed in that particular newspaper, and now you're hunting for specific information. So when you're searching for specific information from that particular article, you scan through the article. Likewise, a catalog or a dictionary or a phone book or an address directory. Well, I hope you've understood what is reading techniques. What are they, skimming and scanning? When do you skim? When do you scan? How do you skim and how to scan? If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.